Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my favorite hair masks specifically for dry, frizzy and curly hair. So I recently made a video of my favorite curly hair products under ₹500, and in that I mentioned that most of the hair masks I like are above 500. So I asked you guys if you need a separate video for that, and I got a few positive responses, so here you go. Also, I have made a reel and YouTube short on my favorite curly hair mask, I think around a year ago. So I'm not going to mention the same masks in this video, but you can check it out. That was like a part 1. I've run out of most of those masks since I used them for a long time. After that, I used a lot of masks which I loved. So here is part 2. So in no particular order, here are my current favorite hair masks. The first one is the Ashba Deep Treatment Hair Mask. This is one of the most intense masks I've used. I have a separate review video on Ashba products, and that was, I think, kind of first impressions. After that, I've used it a lot of times and formed an opinion. This is very it's not very thick. You would expect it to be thick. It has like medium consistency, it's not too thick, and it has this oil, so this oil kind of separates from the mask, and every time I apply it, I just mix it a little bit, and that oil makes your hair very soft. Like, it feels like you have applied oil, but it's not oily. Not able to explain it properly, but my hair feels extremely soft after using it. And I recently made a video on my curly hair mistakes, and one of the points I had mentioned in that video was my hair was over moisturized. So I have reduced using masks now, especially such masks which are intense, because my hair is extremely soft right now. So my hair is not able to take a lot of this. So that's why I'm not able to finish it, because I'm not using hair masks that often now. Just watch that video, you'll come to know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if your hair is extremely dry and in need of moisture, like it needs it, it craves for it, then you would love this mask. Next one is the Iluvia Repair Reviver Mask. I recently collaborated with them on Instagram. This mask is also really intense. It has a really good slip. It also has strengthening and damage repairing properties, which is great because that is all you need. It also moisturizes at the same time, so I love it. I really enjoy talking about product in detail on YouTube videos, because on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, I can't tell all the information under 1 minute. Okay, it's a lot of pressure and I'm not able to cover everything, and whatever information I've given under a minute, people consume half of that, literally. Then they have like half of half knowledge, which is dangerous. So please watch my YouTube videos, because I love to put details. It smells also nice, by the way. Next mask is by Fix My Curls. This is the Moisture Melt Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. This is kind of similar to the Ashba one I showed. Very intense, and my hair feels so soft. I had used it many months ago. I had not used it again because, as I mentioned, my overly soft situation, I'm not able to use much hair masks right now. And I use them like once in 2-3 weeks, but then I'm not able to try so many, right? Like just 2 masks I can try per month, which is okay. Not complaining. But if your hair craves for moisture, if your hair is extremely dry, you're gonna love it. And they also have a protein variant. I've not tried it. I really want to, because my hair needs protein right now. Just watch my hair mistakes video, you'll come to know what I'm talking about. By the way, all the masks I'm mentioning in this video have amazing slip, so I'll not mention that point separately. Just assume that it has a good slip, okay? Next mask is by Wella. This is a Wella renewing mask. Now I have heard Malvika rave about this range, and this was there in my wish list for a long time, but I never bought it because, dude, I have too many hair products. If I buy something, it's gonna go waste. But then I got this in PR. The shampoo is also nice, by the way. The mask is also good. Now I understand what Malvika was talking about. But now to compare with the other hair masks, right, like the intense masks which I just talked about, which are meant for curly hair, this is not that intense, okay? This can be used by any hair type. Even if you have straight hair, not that dry hair, you can still use it. Those kind of masks might not work well for straight hair because it's too much for them. This mask is the perfect balance, I feel. It's not too intense, but it also provides enough nutrition for your hair, enough moisture and enough hydration, which I love. And it smells also, you know, like a salon. Like I've used 75% of this mask. I love this. Next is a mask from the Loreal Professionnel range. You might be knowing I love Loreal Professionnel range for shampoo and conditioner and masks. They make amazing products. So one is the Absolut Repair one and one is the Metal DX one. I love both of these. Now I'll tell you why. Now the Absolute Repair one I like because of course, like, my hair feels soft and everything, that you're supposed to feel that, but this also strengthens the hair. It has protein in it, and as I explained in my hair mistakes video, my hair is in need of protein right now, so this mask also helps a lot. It also moisturizes at the same time, which I love. This is the Metal DX one. This has a very different consistency. It's like a cream, you know, and it's very shiny, so using it is interesting. And it kind of you know, the concept behind this is, I have talked about this on my Instagram a while back. So the shampoo of this cleanses the metal particles from your hair, and your hair might have metal particles because of anything, you know, like water. Over time your hair gets metal buildup. Okay, that shampoo removes it all. I make sure to use that shampoo at least once in 3 months whenever I remember, because that really gives me a good cleanse. And this mask is supposed to be used with that shampoo. I mean, you can use it normally also. So what it does is, it protects your hair and it does not let your hair collect more metal. So that's why this shampoo goes in hand with that shampoo from the range. I've also heard Mains by Mel talk about this metal buildup, so it's extremely important to clean it. Please read about this if you want more information. Next hair mask is by Bare Anatomy. This is from their curly hair range. They recently launched it. I was using this a lot since I was testing them out. I recently collaborated with them. This smells amazing. It smells like I want to eat it. It smells yummy. So this is also really intense. Like, on a level of intensity, I would say this is about 7 by 10. Okay, not as intense as the Ashba one, but intense enough. This is really good for people again with curly hair, wavy hair. You would love this. It has amazing slip again, your hair feels extremely soft, and I have heard great things about Bare Anatomy brand in general, like even from the other ranges. They have nailed the formula even for the curly hair range. I really like the formula of the mask and also the shampoo from this range. I had reviewed them on my Instagram. Next is the mask from Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Argan Oil and Lavender range. This makes your hair super smooth, and this is not just for curly hair, even straight hair can use it. Like, if your hair feels dry, this mask is really going to help you. On a level of intensity, it would be about 6, because this is not meant for curly hair. Like, curly hair masks tend to be really intense, really intense. This is softening and smoothing. This is the kind of masks I like to use. I like to use before I blow dry my hair straight. Like, as you might be knowing, I love blow drying my hair. Not done it since a long time because of voltage issues. Never mind. So this is the kind of mask I like because they smoothen it. You know, after I use it, my hair feels really smooth. Like, soft though it feels, but it feels smooth. Like, the frizz reduces. So when I blow dry my hair, of course I want to minimize the frizz. So that's when I use something like this. Mostly I prefer using silicone products, but this also feels like, does it have silicone? Wait, I'm so sorry, I thought it didn't have silicones. It does have silicones. No wonder my hair feels smooth. Yeah, so I love using these kind of masks before I blow dry my hair. So that was it for this video. I've tried to keep this video as brief as possible, but if you have any more questions about any of the masks, please let me know in the comments down below, and let me know your favorite mask, if you spotted any of your favorites, or if you like any mask which I didn't mention or I haven't tried. Please let me know so that it helps others also. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.